So we've got our gauge on. It is a bit of a tricky, tight area to get the gauge in, but you can get it in there at a different, depending which angle you lay it. So we've set them in, and we tighten them up with these two here, these bottom rings. So we screw them in. Backhead's quite low pressure, so I just twist this gauge straight, and then I sort of hold that. Oh, that's still not tight. And get them tight. And to tighten that gauge, you can either use a little pair of vice grips, or I just pull that around. So we've got them on. First step we do is make sure our exhaust tap here is closed. So that's open. So we close them, and then we push the plunger down, and we can see there we're on just over 10 bar. We're sitting on about 12 bar, so that's pretty good. But we're just gonna drop that down a bit. We can either drop it down by just opening this exhaust, it'll drop, plunger down, and see how it drops about 10%. So we want to charge to get 12 bar, we want to charge to about 14 bar, and then when we exhaust it, it'll lose that little bit of pressure. To get the gas in there, exhaust closed, plunger down, and then we just give this a few quick little bursts. Doesn't take a lot, and he's shot right up to 16, 18 bar, which is too much, so I'm just going to slowly work it back by exhausting. Let it back up, push the plunger again, and that's about where I want him there. So when I exhaust that again, it'll drop to 12. Now I've loosened that, and now we just unscrew it out. Put our cap back on and tighten them up, and you want that really nice and tight, because all this hammer does is vibrate all day, so you give that a real good tighten. And that is the backhead charged.